excuses run dry, put them in overdrive. I lived high and dry, hardly a sacrifice. Since I know, yes I know, yes I know. But what do I know? What do I know? Where do I go? Where do I go? Falling to pieces, oh, into the deep end, oh. Give me a reason, oh, stick around to watch me drown. Falling to pieces, oh, into the deep end, oh. Give me a reason, oh, stick around to watch me drown. Light up the stick tonight, oh, I love.
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We'll show you what we got done today. This was kind of backwards the way we're doing our talking head. So we're going to show you what we got on the flattener. It's another epoxy project by Christian Radley. Now we featured his last Bartop, his L-shaped Bartop project, and this piece of wood is actually a cutoff from that project. So let's go take a look and see where we're at here. Christian did an amazing job with this epoxy pour. He elected to do an opaque base for the epoxy and then finishing up with a clear layer of super clear epoxy on top. I'll have links for everything he used in the description, but check out this transformation.
You've underestimated everything I've been through. I think you can't imagine all the things that I can do. I see you on the pedestal, you pull yourself upon to. I'm a wild animal here to devour you. Watch this. Are you ready for it? Watch this. Can you feel it? Watch this. Everything I've worked for is resting on this moment. Don't know what I love more, the fight or the focus. I'm always in the shadows, hardly know that I exist. Think you're the best, but you're ready for the plot twist. Watch this. Are you ready for it? Watch this. Can you feel it? Watch this.
One of the really cool things about this particular project is that he's got two-tone of epoxy. He's got a smoky undertone. So the first layer that he poured was real smoky, real translucent, and the second one's going to be clear. And the goal with that is there are some random pieces of walnut, like kind of like where it broke off from the tree when they cut the log down. And that's going to be kind of like an eerie pirate ship, you know, coming through the fog kind of look. And this thing is going to be awesome. So we've got, you know, black walnut, clear epoxy with the smoky underbottom. And let's see where we're at thickness-wise here. We'll see if you can see it on camera, but we are right at 1 5/8 inches thick. That's going to be really good for where we're at. But I think we're good to go. This is going to be, man, this is going to be another awesome piece. And I believe he's got several other projects already on the books. So if you want to watch those start to finish, go ahead and give him a follow if you're not. And if you are, just check in from time to time. And yeah, let's go see what Christian's up to. We did have a few weeks pass by the time I did this video and the time that Christian got this piece finished. But check out how well this piece works in the space that it was designed for. I think that he knocked this thing out of the park, that the family's going to love it, and he even used the uplift desk technology. So this is a sit-stand table located in their kitchen. All right, guys, we're going to call it an episode there. I know it's a little shorter than we traditionally do. I'm trying something out with the shorter form content. We are doing longer form live streams where it'll be in the shop anywhere from 1.5 hours to 2 hours plus at a time. So if you're not, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll know that when we go live, you can jump in, pop in, say hi, and then check out what's going on in the machine and what projects we got coming up. Otherwise, we will see you guys on the next one.